GIMP plugins, go in Users, Your Name, App Data, Roaming, GIMP 2.10, Plugins, and the ones you want for resynthesizer are the two basic resynthesizer GUI, and then any additional Python plugins. Heal Selection, Heal Transparency are really the only ones that are worth having. Now starting up, this is the latest GIMP 2.10.14, Windows 10. There we are. Nothing complicated there. And if I open an image, we'll have a look at Heal Selection first. You would make a selection. Tools, Filters, Enhance, Heal Selection. Set the parameters. Depends on the image, what you're doing. And it would blank out the bit you've selected, cloning in from outside the selection. Maybe if I had some transparency, Filters, Enhance, Heal Transparency. Again, we'll set the parameters, maybe inwards. Okay, that leaves it, but shouldn't have had a fuzzy brush on that. But that's what it looks like. Now, and for a resynthesizer itself, you might make a small selection or crop it down to some like that. The resynthesizer is made really for making tileable patterns. Okay, that you get an image like that. And if I copy that to the clipboard for a temporary pattern, put it into a larger canvas, there it is, there's a tileable pattern. And that's how it works. Not